To give you an idea of what your report could look like, I want to show you an example of what another student did on a similar problem set. This was also called "What is the value of a fireplace?" The values were a little bit different, but in general, this will give you an idea. Very simple little business type report, summary, and then starts into the meat of the things. A little bit of discussion with some references, and then the nice graph. Summary here of the confidence intervals on the various size houses. A little more information about why the prediction interval is different than the confidence interval. More information, more tables, just copied and paste from Excel into Word. Here's another nice graph showing the two charts of with and without the fireplace and the regression lines and the equations. Summary of that information with and without and the differences. Another table from the multiple regression showing the value of the fireplace depending on various sizes. In this problem set, they had to do a plot based on lot numbers. Lot numbers, of course, are not really meaningful, so the plots are essentially horizontal, but you can get an idea of the value of the fireplace from that. More information on regression. Here's the t-test reported, and then a conclusion. And the only thing that this report didn't have would be a summary table that shows all of the estimates from those methods above. So I hope this helped you put together your final report.